Hello everyone and welcome back to So Aldo DIY. In today's video, I am going to show you how I made this simple A-line dress with flutter sleeves. This dress is fast and easy to make. The pattern pieces that I use for this dress is simply traced out from a favorite dress that I purchased from TJ Maxx. The main dress or the template was the black dress, and these are the variations I made using the sewing patterns or templates that I used from that original dress. If you haven't tried this sewing hack yet, then you are missing out because this is so easy. With that being said, let's start sewing! I begin with matching the bodice and the skirt panel together. I will repeat the same for the back pieces. I will use a stretch stitch for this because I am using a jersey knit, and I will also be using a needle meant for jersey knit fabrics. This is what the stretch stitch looks like. It will allow you to stretch the waistline without breaking the threads. Next, I am going to match the panels together. Right sides of the fabrics are facing. Be sure that you are matching the seams as well so it will look nice and pretty. And then I'm just going to sew the side seams and the shoulder seams. And this time we don't need to use stretch stitch because we won't be stretching the sides of the dress. So just a regular stitch with a longer stitch length. Mine was about 2.8. It's time to work on the sleeves. I sewed the inseams and then it's time to set it in the armholes. So I match the right sides of the fabrics. I'd like to start with the inseams first and then the shoulder, so it is much easier to distribute the fabrics around. We'll do the same with the other sleeve. Then I'm going to finish the hemlines. Originally, I was going to use this white strip of fabric. It was too narrow and it didn't work out. Measure the neck hole and then I'm going to multiply it by 0.80, and then I went ahead and cut the strip of fabric that is 3 inches wide and about 20 inches long based on the calculation. So you should do your calculation. Then I quartered the neckband. It's much easier, by the way, if you press it first before you stitch the neckband, okay? So now I'm also going to quarter the neck hole. That way the neckband is going to be evenly distributed to the neck hole. As the neckband is smaller than the neck hole, you are going to stretch the neckband only. And then sew all the way around, and this time you don't actually have to use a stretch stitch because you are stretching the neckband as you sew. It's going to make it stretchy once it is completed. After that, I am going to trim the excess seam allowance just short enough that when we fold the bias tape, it's not going to show. You are going to fold the bias tape out and you are going to stay stitch it, and this is what it should look like. I think it looks so pretty. I love how this dress turned out, and I finished this in under an hour. What do you think of this sewing pattern hack? Leave me a comment down below. Please subscribe and share this video. My goal for this video is reach 10 shares. You think it's possible? Thanks for sharing this video, and you are so awesome. I will see you soon. Bye!